Your first Forex deposit, you will make losses. And that is totally okay if you're still new. But now, if you keep on making losses, there are some things that you need to work on. Now, some traders, they've already watched this tutorial. Thank you so much for the 1.4 million viewers. Okay. Now, I really appreciate. Make sure that you follow the right account of Boza. All right, Boza Trader. This is our account. This is our channel. And also you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Boza Trader. You subscribe, you become a member, and you can also join our premium group to get market direction to actually be able to buy and sell with us. But then here, there are some serious requirements for you to join this group. You can see 620 requested, and only few are able to join this group. This group, its goal is to assist traders who have been struggling. Now, your first deposit, you might make losses based on there's some things that we need to fix, some things that you need to work on, such as your emotions. Now, if we go to the trading app, MetaTrader 5, okay, you can use MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, C-Trade. You can also use TradingView if you like TradingView, but I don't recommend TradingView or MetaTrader 4. So now, when you trade on a demo account, you are practicing. You are what? You are practicing to buy and sell. You can close trades. You can go to history and actually see if you're making losses or making profit. You can go to trade to monitor whether you're making any profit or you're losing. You can go to chart to analyze your graph, to zoom in, zoom out, and be able to set up your chart. Now, you can also go to codes, choose the assets, add the assets that you like to add, and remove those which you do not like to add. Okay? You can even use MetaTrader 4, go to simple, go to advanced. All right? But then, when you make losses, you don't have to panic, you don't have to worry. Losses are part of the process of learning in the market. So for me, I've actually made some losses. Even on this group, we do make losses, right? If we do make losses on this group, I actually share that, guys, we've made a loss and we are going to recover that. So there are some trades which we actually ended up with a loss, such as this trade here. All right. So we do make a loss. But then losses are part of what? Part of learning. There's something wrong that we did, or simply because of the chart didn't go in our favor, or it didn't actually go as planned. Now, when we trade, make sure that you always understand risk management. We have risk management, which is step number 3 in our journey to start trading Forex in 5 simple steps. Step number 3 and step number 4, analysis. You must make sure that you watch the tutorials that I share here. Super simple, super easy to follow. Now, risk management, it is simple as always. I recommend that we actually risk 1:4, which means if you're risking $1, you're able to profit $4. We're not using 10% percentage here. We're not using 100% percentage here, but at least profit 4 times whatever that we are risking. If it's 10, you profit 40. If it's 100, you profit 400. If it's 1,000, you profit 4,000. Simple. So now there's some assets which are best to trade. There's some assets which are bad to trade. So if you've been losing, you can either be using demo to do your analysis. When you do analysis, make sure that all the analysis you are doing them on a real account. You don't do analysis on a demo account, because the demo account and real account are two different things. The charts are different. All right. Now, let's head over to our real account. Okay, let's sign in here. So if you keep on losing, this is the profit for today. Profited this much, and we've managed to make a withdrawal. Okay, so now you can be able to do this only if you understand what you need to do. So let me show you. All right, you can be able to do this only if you you understand this part of risk management, and you understand analysis, the strategy that you should be applying, market structure, the highs and lows, and understanding where you should position yourself or the trade. All right, and the entry, stop loss, exit. The tools that you need, the objects that you need for you to do your analysis. So now, if you're a trader, you're a beginner, advanced trader who's struggling, please make sure that you work more on this. That's it. This is the only way for you to manage losses so that you don't lose much on risk management, and also you get more trades on market structure. You know the time frame that you should use, the type of setup that you're looking for, the entry, the exit, which is in line with this risk management. If some of you like 1:3, that is good. The 1:4 is to keep you to have 4 chances. If you risk 1, you will have more chances if you have 4 times what you risk. So that next time when you trade, you can either lose 2 times, but you cannot lose 4 times. I trust you understand. So this is the only way for you to actually manage and be able to trade if you've been losing money in the market. So let me know in the comment section below, is there something that actually some traders who are still new, who are struggling as to how do we even deposit, how do we even make a withdrawal? We have another tutorial where I share how to make a deposit and withdrawal on our YouTube channel. Please make sure that you go to Pause Trader, you go to videos, you will see the tutorial here. Now, this is phase 3 of here. Actually, someone who's trading with Reef. Phase 3, phase 2 is here. So let me reload so that you can see phase 2. This is phase 2 of our accounts that we're using, depending on the place of birth where you were born. And this is phase 2. For me, I'm in phase 1 because I've already started trading my trading account a long time ago. This is IC Markets, my real account on IC Markets, MT4, MT5, MT4, MT5. So I can be able to trade with MT5 and MT4. All right. Now let's go to my derivative account. This is my derivative account, so I can go to CFDs. This is the phase 1. All right. This is the phase 1, and I can be able to use my trading account to take trades. So I'm able to be profitable because of I understand the risk, I understand the analysis, and if you do understand 1 and 2 or 3 and 4, then you are 5 steps ahead, or even 10 times step ahead. You understand what? You understand risk. You understand analysis. That's it. That's the only way for you to win or make money in trading. But then some traders, they don't understand how do you even make a deposit, how do you even make a withdrawal. Like if they watch this tutorial, they get stuck on that tutorial only. They just open a trading account and they don't continue to master the skill. As to once you've watched a tutorial, you don't continue to look for more information to understand what you need to do. You don't even try. Like you just stop, right? You need to continue, use a demo account. And for me, I started using a demo account, practicing the buying and selling using the MetaTrader 5. All right, there are some accounts that I was using here for teaching and buying and selling. All right, if you have questions, you go to codes. If you have questions, you ask me. All right, there's some trades here. You can buy, you can sell, and you can go to trade. You'll be able to see and monitor. All right, you will learn more by being practical, by learning every day, by exercising using this app. All right, you can buy, you can bring this, you can buy, set a stop loss, set take profit, use these features, use the crosshair here, and just practice using the platform. All right, we have another tutorial. You can also check playlist. All right, on playlist here, step number 1, we have step number 1 here. You can check step number 1 to learn more about how to use the MetaTrader 5 platform. We have so many tutorials here that I share with you if this is your first time trading MetaTrader 4, and this is MetaTrader 5 and 4 for the computer vision. And you can watch this tutorial so that you can actually learn and understand how do we even use these platforms. It's simple, it is that easy. So please make sure that you do subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about risk management, the lot size. I share practical tutorials here. All right, for those who need to join my group, make sure that you press here and you visit Boza Trader and you join the WhatsApp group. You will see the WhatsApp group, premium WhatsApp group. So you join there and you become what? You become a, if you don't have a trading account, you can actually open a trading account using these brokers here. This is the most popular, the one that I mostly use. All right. So you can actually join here. All right. You'll see WhatsApp group and then you join. That's all. So I trust you understand. If you have any questions, you let me know. For now, I love you all. Stay blessed. I will see you on another tutorial.